The kids were playing tic-tac-toe. Theo's waiting for his turn.
I'm tired of waiting. Can we play a game that all three of us can play together? Totally. We can play tic-tac-toe-tea. Great idea. Let's try it.
The kids started playing their name game when they saw something bright in the sky.
Guys, did you see that? What? There was something shiny in the sky. Wow. It happened again. What was it? Let me think. Maybe it's a party on a cloud, and we just didn't get invited. Whoa, did you hear that? Yeah. What was it? Maybe someone fell off a cloud and landed in a pool full of balloons. That's why it was such a loud noise.
The kids would have kept laughing for a while, but then Mrs. Unicorn called them in.
Mimi, Theo, Didi, come in here. It's about to rain.
Let's run. I wonder how she knows it's about to rain.
Hurry up. There we go.
Theo, Didi, look! It's really raining. Wow. Mrs. Unicorn, how did you know it was about to rain?
Good question. Want me to tell you?
Yeah!
Then settle down. Did you see the lights in the sky?
Yeah?
And did you hear the rumbling?
Yeah?
So, all of that means a thunderstorm is about to start.
Ooh!
Every second, thunderstorms are starting all over the planet. When water evaporates and goes up into the sky, it forms clouds. Particles start forming inside the clouds and running around. That makes the cloud start electrifying. That's also what happens when you rub a balloon on your hair. You see? Anyway, when the cloud is electrified, lightning bolts begin to form. Then we hear the sound of lightning. That's because light is faster than sound. Unfortunately, we still can't predict where lightning will strike. And if you see lightning and hear thunder, that means it's about to start raining.
Wow! Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome, sweetie.
You're so smart, Mrs. Unicorn.
Oh, thank you, Didi. And look, it's not raining anymore. Now you can go play in the puddles.
Yay!
But put your rain boots on.
Okay.
Today, the kids learned what a thunderstorm is. And now they know if they can expect rain. Now they can splash through puddles to their heart's content.
Mimi, wake up. Your friends are here.
Mimi, let's go play. It's such a nice day. I'll be right there.
Uh-oh, Mimi's in trouble. There's no water in the tap, and she can't wash up. Where did the water go?
Mimi, are you ready? What's wrong? Theo, Didi, I think we're out of water. That's so weird. Where did it go? Maybe you didn't close the tap yesterday and all the water poured out? Did you hear any loud noises last night? Maybe a giant came and drank all the water. Whoa. Oh, wow. If there really was a giant, he must have left prints. I don't see any prints. Oh, it wasn't a giant. It was an evil witch. See? She flew here on her broom and put a curse on our tap. Forever. Hold on. How did she fly away? She must have had 2 brooms. You evil witch! We'll get our water back.
Bibbidi-bobbidi-boo.
Bibbidi-bobbidi-boo. Bibbidi-bobbidi-boo. Bibbidi-bobbidi-boo.
Ta-da!
Huh?
Be careful, kids. You could break something.
What's going on?
A witch put a curse on the water. And we're going to break the curse.
Ta-da!
But it wasn't a witch, Mimi. Here's some water so you can brush your teeth.
So where did the water go?
See that truck? And the workers?
We see it.
This morning, they're changing out the old plumbing. So they turned off the water.
What are those big pipes for?
There are special pipes that go under the ground in every town. They bring water from natural sources to special processing plants. And then the water goes to every individual house. When the pipes get old, they can spring leaks. So they have to get replaced with new ones.
If the water is hot, does that mean it came from a very hot river?
No, it just gets heated right at home.
Oh, now I get it. Aw, I wish it had been an evil witch. Yeah, we almost beat her. Let's go outside and watch them changing the pipes.
Today, Mimi, Dee, and Theo learned where tap water comes from. It is kind of sad that there was no witch after all. Today, Mimi and her mom have come to Mr. Oink's farm.
Hello, Mr. Oink.
Hi, Mr. Oink.
Oh, hi there. Nice to see you. How can I help you today?
We want to plant some flowers in our garden. Mimi promised she'd help me.
I love helping my mom.
I think I know what you need.
He's going to bring us some flowers.
Here you go. The best of the best. My finest seeds.
Huh? No, we need flowers, not seeds.
Mimi, Mr. Oink knows what he's talking about. Seeds grow into flowers. I'll show you at home. Let's say thank you to Mr. Oink.
Seeds grow into flowers? That's interesting. Thanks, Mr. Oink. Bye-bye.
Have a good day. That was funny.
Mimi and her mom headed straight home. Theo and Dee showed up to wait for them.
You're already here!
Hi, kids.
Hi, Miss Unicorn. Mom, can Theo and Dee Dee help us with the flowers?
Of course. The more the merrier.
Yay!
You kids hang out for a sec, and I'll go get everything ready.
Yay! We get to plant flowers!
What are we going to do?
Mr. Oink gave us seeds instead of flowers for some reason. That's like a fairy tale. They must be magic seeds. We can grow magic flowers! It's going to be a huge flower with rainbow petals. And the flower will smell like bubblegum. Gum will grow on the flower. Then we can use the petals to jump down like a parachute. I want to plant it already. Mom, let's plant our magic flower already. It's gonna be so tall.
What do you mean, magic flower? How tall do you think it's going to get?
Mr. Oink sold us magic seeds, like in a fairy tale.
No, kids. Mr. Oink sold us normal seeds. All flowers grow from seeds.
Even those red roses?
Yes, and not all roses are red. And not all daisies are white. Flowers can be all kinds of different colors.
Like yellow roses?
Yes. Here, I'll explain it to you. A long time ago, the flowers were even bigger, and they were everywhere. But they were all gray, not very pretty.
Our garden would have been so sad, like it is right now.
That's for sure, Mimi. Anyway, insects moved pollen from one flower to another. That's how flowers reproduce. So there grew lots and lots more flowers.
Even more than at the park?
Way more than that, Dee Dee. There were so many flowers that they had to get creative to get the bugs' attention.
So they'd get pollen from them instead.
That's right. If you don't pollinate a flower, it wilts. So the flowers started changing colors and putting on fancy outfits.
It's like when we're going to a party, so everyone can see us being pretty.
Every day is a party for the flowers. They want to get noticed and pollinated. Is that why people give flowers on special occasions? I think so. It really makes a party feel like a party. Anyway, flowers come in all shapes and colors. It's all about showing the pollinators how special they are. Nowadays, we can plant seeds to grow flowers.
Like the seeds we got from Mr. Oink.
That's right. Now, let's plant these flowers.
Will our flower be red or yellow? How long do we have to wait? 10 minutes? 15? What's it gonna smell like?
You're going to have to be patient. We need to take care of the seeds every day. And one day, you'll wake up and see the flower. And then you'll have the answer to all your questions.
We'll take such good care of it.
Today, the kids learned all about why flowers come in different colors. And soon, they'll have their very own, the magic flower. The kids have big plans for today.
Let's go get Theo and do what we were gonna do. Yeah. What were we gonna do? I don't know. We'll think of something later. I wonder what Theo's doing. Mom, I'm going out. Mimi and Dee Dee are about to be here.
Did you pick up all your clothes and socks?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Well, I guess not everything.
You can leave when you pick everything up.
But, Mom... Fine. Phew, that took forever. I'm kinda tired. Same here. Theo! I'm here.
Theo can't play yet.
Uh-oh, something is wrong.
Theo didn't do what he promised he would. But I picked everything up. Look. See? These socks are all unmatched. You promised you'd pick everything up. But I couldn't find the rest. I can't let you go until you get it all.
Mimi and Didi are trying to figure out what to do next.
Mrs. Fox, can we help Theo find the rest of the socks?
Of course. But only if you want to.
We do.
Then yes.
Yay!
The kids get straight to work. But it's a pretty slow start.
I can't find anything.
Me neither.
I know. To find a sock, you have to think like a sock.
I found one under the couch. Huh?
It didn't work for me.
Or me.
What if we use my imagination to find them?
Yeah!
This is going to be a great game. Hello.
Hi, Sock. Will you tell us where to find your brothers?
I saw one by the stairs.
Thanks, Sock.
Traitor! You snitched on us!
Huh?
Catch them!
We have to bring you back to your brothers.
Ah! Huh? Huh?
Wee, 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 wee. Catch it!
You can do it! Yay!
What are you doing? Why are you yelling? We were just finding all the socks. Oh, good job. Was it hard?
Not at all.
It was super fun.
Yeah!
That's great. Come on, I'll give you some lunch.
Yay!
Theo, promise you won't make a mess like that again?
I promise.
The kids had a fun day cleaning up. They helped Theo out, and they learned that making a mess isn't the right thing to do. Today, the nanny has a really important assignment for Mimi and her friends. The kids have to make clay figurines, whatever they want. I don't even know what that is.
So, how's it going?
The kids can't focus on the nanny right now. They're busy.
Ahem. Ahem.
Miss Moo, are you okay?
Thanks, Mimi. I'm fine. How are you guys? What did you make?
I made a rainbow.
I made a car.
So pretty.
Everybody wants to show Ms. Moo how amazing their figurine turned out.
Eddie, what did you make? You're going to love it. It's beautiful. What is it? A swamp monster.
Oh, a swamp monster, of course, obviously. Okay, you all did such a great job. You know what that means.
That means we can just relax now?
Yeah!
No, stop. We finished playing with modeling clay, so now we can kick it up a notch. We're going to do pottery.
Huh?
I'll tell you all about it. Have a seat. Pottery is one of the oldest human inventions. It's the process of creating ceramic items out of clay, like dishes, toys, jewelry.
The nanny explained pottery in great detail, and the kids got started right away.
How about making your own dishes? Whatever you like.
I'll make a plate. I'll make a cup. Me too. Cool. I'll make a fork and a spoon.
I like the idea of a plate. I'll make mine super colorful. Wow! Can I paint mine too? Sure, we can make matching ones. Awesome!
I want to make another swamp monster.
But you're supposed to make dishes.
Fine. I'll make a plate shaped as a swamp monster.
Okay.
And they're off to the races. They're all focusing hard on what they're doing. Maybe a little too hard.
So how's it going?
We're done.
Good job.
But how are we supposed to eat out of these? They're too soft.
You're not actually done yet. Now we need to put your creations in a special oven. We'll turn the temperature up very high and leave the dishes in there for a while. You can have them back tomorrow morning.
Yay!
The kids did everything Ms. Moo said.
Let's see how it turned out.
Wow.
This is yours, and this is yours. This is Mimi's. Here are Theo and Dee Dee's cups, and Eddie's swamp monster.
Oh, finally.
That was another great day. Now the kids can bring their dishes home to show their parents. Today, Mimi, Theo, and Dee Dee are enjoying some yummy donuts that Dee Dee's grandma made.
Dee Dee, your grandma is amazing. These donuts are so yummy.
They are really good, but I have a question. Why do donuts have holes in them?
Probably to save dough.
No, it's to make them easier to hold. See? No, Dee Dee. I could bite my finger off.
Wow! Look, Mimi has an amazing idea.
Dee Dee, Theo, donuts have holes so that... we can see what a yummy place the world is. Look, donut glasses. Cool.
Yeah!
Yay! No! Wow, it's all so yummy. Hey, Theo, don't eat the whole thing. Don't worry, Mimi. I can swim. Cherry ice cream. I have pistachio. Orange, my favorite. Oh, I hope my mom and dad didn't turn into cookies. Phew. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad.
Hi, kids.
What are you kids up to? The donuts are all over the place.
Well... Oh, we'll clean it up. Grandma, why do you put holes in donuts? So you use less dough, right?
Of course not, sweetie. It's pretty simple, kids. The donuts just cook faster if they have a hole in them. Plus, it helps them keep their shape. Now, can you help me decorate the donuts with glaze? What color do you want?
I want green.
Orange.
I'll go for pink. Wow. Yeah. This is still the best way to eat them.
What a sweet trip into the world of donuts. Now, the kids know exactly why donuts have holes. And they even helped Dee Dee's grandma. Great job, kids. The kids are having fun running around and playing today. They're all well rested and energized.
An alien is chasing us!
You can't catch us.
No, not me! No! Cooper! That's it! You're the alien now! Ah! No!
But it's almost sunset, which means it's time for the kids to all go home.
Mom?
Yes?
Why does the sun hide every night? Why does that mean we have less time to play?
Let's sit down and I'll explain it to you. It's all because the sun is a star. Our planet revolves around it. Then there's the moon, which revolves around the Earth.
Wow!
The Earth spins around the sun over the course of 365 days, or 1 year. And the moon spins around the Earth, which takes 27 days.
Cool! But why does the sun disappear at night?
I'm not done with my story. Along with the Earth revolving around the sun, it also spins on its own axis. It takes 24 hours to complete a turn. So when it's night for us, it's day on the other side of the planet.
Wow, that's interesting.